What if every blockchain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, could talk to each other, share data, and work as one connected internet? Right now, most blockchains are like islands. They are powerful on their own, but isolated. That is the problem Polkadot is solving. It is building a bridge between blockchains and creating a truly connected Web3 world. And it is not just theory. It is live, it is growing, and it is backed by one of the smartest teams in crypto history. What is Polkadot? Polkadot is like the internet of blockchains. Instead of one chain doing everything, like Ethereum, Polkadot lets many specialized blockchains, called parachains, run side by side. Each is optimized for a different purpose. One for decentralized finance, one for privacy, one for gaming, one for identity. They all plug into a central hub called the relay chain, which handles security, governance, and communication between them. This design is fast, flexible, and scalable. It solves the fragmentation problem in crypto. The team behind it, Polkadot, was created by Dr. Gavin Wood, the co-founder of Ethereum and the inventor of Solidity, the programming language behind all Ethereum smart contracts. After Ethereum launched, Gavin realized something. A single-chain architecture was not enough for the future of Web3. So he founded the Web3 Foundation and built Polkadot to create a decentralized internet where users, not corporations, control the apps and data. This is not a meme project. It is backed by deep research, powerful technology, and a vision that is years ahead of its time. How it works. Simple version. Here is how Polkadot works in plain English. The relay chain is like the brain. It coordinates everything. The parachains are like apps. Each has its own purpose. And DOT, the token, keeps the whole system running. DOT is used for staking, to secure the network. Over 55% of DOT is staked right now. It is also used for governance. DOT holders vote on upgrades and funding, and it is used for bonding. Parachains need to lock DOT to join the network. Polkadot's newest upgrades, like Agile Core Time and JAM, make it more flexible and efficient. They allow dynamic resource usage instead of fixed slots. They also introduce the potential for gasless transactions, like feeless apps. This could be a game changer for user experience in Web3. Real adoption and ecosystem Polkadot is not just theory. It is running real apps with real users. As of July 2025, over 45 parachains are live. Decentralized finance on Polkadot has over $300 million in total value locked. DOT is used by fintechs via zero hash for DOTI to USDC transactions. Developer activity is top 3 in all of crypto, thanks to the Substrate SDK. There is also a massive treasury. Over $100 million in DOT has been spent on grants and innovation. Polkadot is betting on a multi-chain future, and it is funding the builders to make it happen. Is DOT a good investment? Let's talk real talk. Is DOT a smart buy? Pros include a strong team led by an Ethereum co-founder, unique technology with a sharded multi-chain architecture, a live ecosystem with growing decentralized finance, tools, and adoption, a gasless future via JAM that could onboard millions. Risks include big competition from Ethereum Layer 2s like Arbitrum and Optimism. Solana and Avalanche are fast and gaining market share. DOT's price has not seen much growth recently, despite upgrades. But remember, infrastructure coins like DOT are long-term plays. They may not pump like meme coins. But if Web3 goes multi-chain, Polkadot is one of the backbones. It currently has a market cap around $6.5 billion. That is not small, but there is still room to grow if parachains take off and JAM succeeds. As always, do your own research. But for tech-driven investors, DOT might be a sleeping giant. Here is the recap. Polkadot is not just another blockchain. It is a modular platform for building the decentralized internet. With parachains, shared security, and on-chain governance, it might be the future of how blockchains work together instead of apart. And unlike many coins, Polkadot actually has a brain behind it, Gavin Wood, and a roadmap that keeps delivering. Already watched our video on Kaspa, the ultra-fast block DAG-powered smart contract platform? Or our breakdown of XRP, the coin transforming global payments? Let me know in the comments which project we should cover next, Stellar, Hedera, or Avalanche. And do not forget to like and subscribe for more no-fluff crypto breakdowns explained simply. Catch you in the next one.